Hi guys, Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to
K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have a printer.
So this is the Brother MFC-L2750dw XL printer. So this is a black and white laser printer. You guys can see over here on the front what it is. You guys can also see that there's like a bunch of features in this too. So it has like NFC,
Duplex copy.
It has duplex copy. It also has NFC reading and stuff. So you guys can see this printer. That's the front. I don't think we can really turn it. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. So we've opened it up and there's a couple of things inside.
So there's this. There's a cable.
So this is an Ethernet cable. You can connect this printer to your Wi-Fi directly, and then you can use the your internet to put files onto the printer and print them out.
And there's also two toners in here.
Yeah. So this is the XL version. So it comes with a 2-year supply of black ink. So I think so. There's one in here and then two in here. That's how it works. We have this paper thingy. This printer is pretty big. It's not really small. It's also really heavy too.
It's in the color black.
Yeah, it's in black. You guys can see. So
and there's also LED.
There's a mini display on the top here. You can also fax with this printer, so it has like the numpad and stuff.
Their on and off button,
home and
back button.
So you guys can see this is like the scanning part. This is where you can put like a singular paper and scan it. And if you wanted to do duplex scanning, I'm pretty sure how that works is you get your paper, you just put it in here, and it just like all your papers, and it just keeps on going through and scanning both sides at the same time. So over here, you guys can see that's where the paper comes out from. And under here, you can see this is the whole paper tray itself. This is where your papers go, which are then going to be fed into the printer. You can adjust this for different sizes. So if you have like a huge paper there, it also has the sizes written. So let's say we want to print out an A4 size printer. So you just bring it over to the size here it says, and you do the same over here and you're good. Yeah, whatever it is, you can just do whatever size. So this printer here, it's pretty cool. You can do a lot of cool things with this that normal printers can't do. One thing is that this is only black and white. It's a laser printer, so it's going to print out in only black and white ink. The good thing with laser printers is it usually it's not really ink expensive, since it's only one color, which is black. And you can also have more, which you can see the toners in this are pretty huge. They're pretty big.
And yeah, so like this is gonna be used for a lot of things, and
it's gonna be great for like at home, especially since everything's online. There's a lot of papers you have to print out for school and stuff.
And even if you're work, if you're doing like work from home.
So yeah, this printer is gonna be really useful for all of those things. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Subscribe to our channel.
And hit the bell icon.
Bye.